Hello to all my families out there. I wanted to do just a quick segment on why get kids adjusted. In 15 years of practice, I've heard this over and over and over. Why would you get a kid adjusted? Well, it's a very good question. Kids are very wiggly and bouncy and they're not very stuck yet. However, that's when it begins. So if a leak just started, you would clean it up right away. It becomes a very small problem. The typical patient comes in between 20 and 40 with their first serious signs of problems. And it isn't until 5 years old that we actually start sitting regularly for 8 hours a day in school. So the chair really is a serious problem. It is my lifelong accomplishment. By the time I'm 80, I want Dr. Kara's National Chair Burning Day on the calendar because our kids are pretty much cartilage, like your nose, like your ears. Cartilage is not hard. It's not bony, okay? Now, by the time we're 28, all the cartilage starts forming into bone. So it's very important to get your kids adjusted because you don't want them going through their major developmental patterns crooked. When kids are growing up, if they're actually lined up and they go through those developmental processes correctly, they don't have these serious problems between 20 and 40, right? Our entire lifespan, imagine life at 80, grandma and grandpa. Imagine how they move around so restricted. That literally begins under age 5. Now, I recommend getting your baby adjusted immediately because the cranium's very soft and you have all these plates up here that kind of fold over to get out of mama. But mom needs a lot of adjusting postpartum. So mom gets most of the adjustments, baby gets 1 or 2 or 3 corrections to make sure they breastfeed, make sure their palate and their jaw is okay. There's a lot of crying and a lot of trauma during the birth process. And then I check on them quarterly, 4 times a year, or with each injury, baby falls off the couch or when they start crawling or these sorts of things. And then when they start school, they do monthlies like adults because they're sitting and they're doing all the things that we know aren't good for us because you as parents can feel that pain when you sit too long, travel, do something funky. Those deep-seated compensation patterns and those unmatched muscle strength is already had years behind it. And as adults, it feels like such an impossible thing to change that we're just born that way. That is just asinine and silly. If I were to take steroids and go to the gym tomorrow, I would be a completely different person in 30 days. I would look completely different. And you guys know that too. And so don't make that dangerous assumption that you are stuck the way you are and you were just born that way. Your body forms and your strength is all where you've been using it. So of course, if you have this brand new human, you give them the easiest, most cost-effective way to develop to their high potential physically with proper alignments. And we love to do that. Aloha, get your kids adjusted.